In today's video, we are going to be demonstrating. I am going to be showing you how to use a Waterpik properly and helpfully. I don't know. Yes, I'm wearing the same thing as the last video, but you know, I look cute, so. Hello, beautiful, gorgeous people. I'm back with more energy. You saw the intro. What am I doing wasting any more time? Things that you are going to need. A handy dandy Waterpik. I sure talked about this in another video. I said I was going to return it because it was leaking. Ended up keeping it. I think everything's fine. Mine comes with 3 little options. Here's the wand, stretches over, beautiful. 1 to 10 pressure, water pressure knob, power button, all that good stuff. My roommate, who also has braces, you might have seen her, hers is white. It's a little more simpler than mine, but they both have a little cute top opening with all the different wands that you can use. Here is a tongue brusher, which you can use. I don't really use this because I don't feel like water spraying on my tongue is really cleaning anything. I already showed you the kind of tongue brusher I have. I like those and I feel like they get a lot more of the gunk out. This one is your regular old dandy Waterpik knob. Shoots the water out of there and gives you a nice clean feeling. This one here and this one have little brushes on the tips. I don't recall exactly what these ones are for. I don't know where my paper is, but I know one of them is supposed to help like cleaning brackets and then like cleaning gums. So like I'm saying like a lot and I need to stop. Help. So what you're gonna do for the Waterpik, fill up your water to whatever line you're feeling like cleaning, you know, whatever amount. Honestly, it takes a while with more water because, especially depending on how high the pressure is. So, yeah, it'll shoot out slower or faster depending on how much pressure you want. But I usually do about 15. If you put too much water, it might not work as well. With dry hands, plug in your Waterpik. Probably should have been done before you put the water in the thing. This little button here helps to stop the water from coming out. So if you're trying to like switch around or something, you need a spit, I don't know, whatever, you can hold it and it'll stop for a minute. Another thing about these Waterpiks, they are very loud. So you're kind of just gonna have to deal with it. Usually I do this hunched over the sink so I don't get as much water everywhere. You're gonna look like this. Right? Okay, it looks funny. No one's gonna be watching you do this, unlike me. So you have your Waterpik. Here's a little knob to help twist. I think they all should have it. Depending on how you're angled, this is supposed to help it not leak onto your hand. You're gonna position the nose upward or downward, right? Instead of twisting your hand around like this to reach it, you literally can just hold it in one position and then just keep spinning your nozzle, right? Way better, you won't get water everywhere. All right. Just like that, to get behind. And then in the front, I'll just twist it over and spray all around the gum area, between the brackets here, like that, reach in the back. So same thing here, okay? Usually I have it between 4 and 6 because I like harder pressure. But obviously that's only if you have stuff really stuck in there. You have to go higher, but if not, just pressure 2 is fine. You don't want to go like too hard on your gums, especially if it's sensitive. Put it in your mouth before you turn it on. Now, when you're doing this, you're going to want to have your mouth slightly open you know, covering it, because the water's gonna drip out of your mouth, down your chin. It's fine. You're gonna be hunched over the sink. You have to. Hopefully that helped you. So thanks for your support and thanks for your viewership. Yeah guys, so I had fun and I feel nice and clean and ready for my day. Thanks for watching. Stay in school. Or don't, because like I don't care.